Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. These new foldable phones come with upgraded chipsets, Galaxy AI enhancements, and a lengthier update support policy matching the Galaxy S24 series. While we anticipate that these models will replace the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, choosing the best Samsung phone. Samsung continues to reign supreme in the Android world, offering a diverse lineup to cater to various needs. When choosing the best Samsung phone for you, consider the following factors. Budget. How much are you willing to spend? Camera performance. How important is camera quality for you? Usage. Will you use the phone for gaming or demanding apps? Form factor. Do you prefer a small, large, or foldable phone? Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, the best all-rounder. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is the best choice for most people. It features a bright, sharp 1440 display, excellent update commitment, and handy Galaxy AI features. With a 6.7-inch screen, this model offers a larger display without being overly cumbersome. The Galaxy S24 Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in the US or the Exynos 2400 globally, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Camera and battery. The S24 Plus maintains the same camera setup as its predecessor, including a 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto zoom camera. Samsung has added AI-powered capture tools for smart color adjustment and improved low-light performance. The 4900 mAh battery ensures good longevity between charges. Galaxy A35 5G. Best mid-range value. For those seeking mid-range value, the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G is a standout. It offers durable Gorilla Glass construction, a vibrant AMOLED panel, and great battery life. The phone features a 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and an Exynos 1380 chipset. It also boasts a 50MP primary camera and a 5000 mAh battery. Galaxy S24 Ultra, the power user's dream. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultimate phone for power users. With a 200MP primary camera, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage, it delivers top-notch performance. The S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch AMOLED display and integrated S Pen enhance productivity. It also benefits from a 7-year software update commitment. Galaxy Z Flip 5, the best foldable. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is Samsung's most refined clamshell-style foldable phone yet. It features a 3.4-inch cover display, a revamped hinge, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset. The Flex window provides a larger, more functional cover screen, and the phone's performance is stellar. Despite having the same camera setup as its predecessor, the Z Flip 5 remains a solid choice for those interested in foldables. Galaxy Z Fold 5, best tablet replacement. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 excels as a tablet replacement with its 7.6-inch foldable screen. It features a reliable hinge, strong build quality, and excellent multitasking capabilities. Although it starts at $1,800 and the S Pen is sold separately, the Z Fold 5's performance and versatility make it a top choice for those needing a powerful foldable device. Galaxy S23 FE, affordable flagship performance. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE offers flagship performance at a more affordable price. It features a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, and a solid camera setup. The S23 FE balances performance and price, making it a great option for those who want high-end features without the flagship price. Galaxy A15 5G, best budget option. For budget-conscious buyers, the Galaxy A15 5G is a great choice. It offers a 6.5-inch OLED screen, MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. The 50MP primary camera provides decent performance, and the phone's affordability and battery life are standout features. When choosing a Samsung phone, consider factors like budget, camera performance, and intended usage. Whether you're looking for a high-end flagship, a versatile foldable, or a budget-friendly option, Samsung's lineup has something for everyone.